If you go on YouTube and look up Riding Grizzly, that is me.
Riding Grizzly?
Yeah. What up, YouTube? Happy Canada Day. If you live other than Canada, well, happy normal day to you. Well, here in Canada, it's Canada Day. There's flags everywhere, like there's a Canadian flag on there. People are dressed in white and red. I have the white and red bike, so I say I win. I don't know if you guys can see, but right here, there's a pink piece of paper. That's a street pass because downtown is closed off to cars and bikes. But I have that so I can actually go to work. Hey. Nice little kid said hi. Alright, so let's go see how many roadblocks are blocked off. How many roads are blocked with roadblocks. I can't talk today. Last time I came downtown during Canada Day was the time that the Queen came over with my buddy, and holy fuck. It was traffic by foot. It was a challenge just getting through people. Man, Ottawa's gonna get closed off entirely. Man, it's hot. Man, it's gonna be a hot one. I'm wearing my mesh jacket and mesh everything, and I'm still sweating bullets. I work right there, though.
Yeah, I understand. We have to check with IDs.
Okay, one sec. It's in the back of my... Actually, it's under my seat.
Sorry about that. It's just rules.
Yeah, it's all good.
Happy Canada.
You too. It's fucking hot out. Just letting you know. I just felt like I shouldn't let you know. That shit doesn't... Ah, it works now. Alright, peace out, guys. Gonna have to go. See ya. What up, guys? I'm back. Just did a 12-hour shift at double time and a half on Canada Day. For everybody who's seeing this, happy Canada Day, but even though you might not be Canadian and you might be seeing this late, well, this is for Canadians who, I don't know, have the spirit of Canada Day and are making it a longer week or two, because this is probably going to be posted a while later, I mean. Anyways, happy Canada Day, guys. So it's been raining all day, mostly, storms and all that shit, and I didn't bring rain gear. I always carry Ziplocs in the trunk of my bike, so my phone is protected. I can still have it. And also, I have a second one in my pocket in case it starts pouring outside for the GoPro. The GoPro case is not waterproof, unfortunately. Yeah. So if it starts to rain, I'm gonna have to pull over and put the GoPro in my Ziploc bag. Hopefully it is not raining. Jeez. You good? Oh, that's fine, you can go. Sorry?
Oh, don't turn it off. Turn it back on. That is like so like, we're going to the city.
Oh yeah?
Turn it back on. Yeah.
One sec. I actually just need to check it if my bag is closed.
Check it. You should do a picture. Your bag's closed. You got this. Yeah. We should do a picture. Can we do a picture? You know what?
Sure.
Do a selfie with you here. I'll just take a picture. No, you're gonna come. Oh, okay. You want my? Over here. Hello. Hello, random. You can't even tell who you are. Hello, random man.
I'll tell you after.
Ready? 1, 2, cheese. See, it's totally random.
If you go on YouTube and look up Riding Grizzly, that is me.
Grizzly.
Yeah. And you guys will probably be on it.
Okay, you look up Cheetah Dallas, and you'll find me.
Oh yeah? Cheetah's Dallas?
Debbie does Dallas.
That is a camera.
Why? Oh shit! Gotta go.
No.
She knows about them ahead of time, then she's cool.
Alright, so do you guys want to be on my channel or not? It's probably going to be like a 10-second video going through.
10-second video it up. I mean, you go for it.
Alrighty.
Or whatever you decide. You do it. You do it.
Alrighty.
Happy Canada Day.
You too.
Your bike's the right colors.
Thank you.
I like it. She ran away, but it's all good.
I was not expecting that right outside my building. Jeez. That was actually interesting. I asked and they said it's okay, so it's okay. Don't know where the fuck I'm going though. Yeah, these streets are supposed to be closed, eh? Yeah. I'm not even supposed to be on these streets. They were a bit intoxicated. I go slowly. I really want to try to go through the market or something. Yeah, let's go straight. That would be RCMP looking straight at me. It's like, what is that? What is this guy doing on closed roads? Driving home from work. Man, there's puddles everywhere. I'm probably gonna get stopped. Trying to look where the hell I can go. Probably, if I don't know, if I go there, I'm probably gonna be set. Dude, there's a cop on every corner. Every corner. I know, is he gonna come and talk to me or? I have no idea. I guess it's fine if I go straight. And then again, the road is blocked. But this is the fun part. I can't just toss this beer. Okay, yeah, so no guards whatsoever. Let's go explore. Nope. Guess not. I just threw something out there. I go back there, I guess. I'm guessing this way is good. That car right there. Now, I call it what the fuck, but that guy actually that's his like actual car. And police cop. Is it raining? It's fucking raining again, is it? Oh, it's raining again, damn. Really, you can't use the bridge? Oh, this is frustrating me. Yeah, with cops now. Do a burnout. No. Yeah, no cops, yeah. No shit, dude. He said there's a cop right there. There's a cop on every fucking corner here, bud. Well, someone probably died there. Jeez.